Okay, right now we're going to learn about the text background. This lesson is really important for you. Suppose you are doing a freelancing or you are doing a development, a website for a client. And if the client asks you for the text background, how you will do that? Because this is one of the essential things. And when you will develop a website, number of times you have to apply these things. Therefore, you need to learn to applying the text background properly in HTML. So let's learn. But before that, you need to know what is the text background is. Let me explain it. You can see here in our browser, we applied the background color, and the color of the background is powder blue. But if any client asks you to make a highlighted color for a text or making a specific background color for a specific text, how it will do that? This is what we are going to learn right now, and it's not so complicated, it's easy, and we are going to learn these things. Okay, let's get back to our Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see here that in our line number 28 I want to write a text, and therefore I want to use heading 1 tag. Let me take h1 and let me write nerding IO. Let me save it. Okay, so what we got nerding IO, this text, but this is just a simple text and we got the default black color for the font color, but we don't have any background for this specific text. But I want to apply a gold background color for this text. How you will do that? You can do that very easily. So you have to apply the attributes for h1 tag as like before. Therefore, what you have to do? You have to put your mouse cursor before the greater than sign of opening h1 tag, and then you have to press space from your keyboard, or you can use a space in between of h1 and the greater than sign, and in there you have to type style. Okay, when you will type the style, or when you will press tab button from your keyboard on Visual Studio Code, then you will have this option, and inside the quotation mark you have to type background color, and you can see here we got the suggestion background color. Therefore I'm pressing tab button, and in between of colon and semicolon you have to declare the background color. So I'm writing here gold. Okay, you can see here that gold color is applied. Let me save it. Okay, this is what I was looking for. I was looking to have a different background color for this specific text, and we got what we are looking for. We got a different or specific background color for the specific text. This is called the text background, but we need to learn more things. So what we got? We got the black color for the text, and we got the gold background color for the text. But what you will do if your client asks you to change the text color as well along with the background color? What you will do? Let me show you how you will change the text color as well as background color. Okay, I am going to type h2 tag in my line number 29, and in here let me write Steven, and now I'm going to save it, and you will have the output that we got the black color text in here. So right now I don't want to use the black color text. I want to use this gold color background in here, as well as instead of black color I want to turn it a red color. This is what I'm looking for. Let's do that. So I have to follow the same process as like my previous line number 28. So I have to declare the attributes for h2 tag. Therefore I am writing style, and then I'm writing background color, and I'm declaring gold. Let me save it, and you can see here I got the same things, but Now I have to change the text color as well along with the background color. Let's do that. So right now I have to put my mouse cursor before this background text or after opening quotation mark, and then I have to type color, and then I have to use the colon mark, and in here I am going to use red color, and I need to type this semicolon mark, and I am pressing a space in here, and now I'm saving it. Now let's take a look at the output. So you can see here, this is what we are looking for. We will have the different background color. This is what we got, and instead of black color we need to write with a different text color, and this is what we got. So this is what we are looking for. Now let me explain it how these things are happening inside the Visual Studio Code for HTML. So in line number 28, what we declared at first, we have taken the heading 1 tag, and for heading 1 tag we declared the attributes. So this is the attributes and this is the elements. So for the elements we just only declared about the background color, we didn't declare the text color. Therefore for the Nerding.io we got only the background color, and the default, the text color is black always in HTML, that the default color we got. But in our line number 29 we declared the background color, that will be gold, in our attributes, as well as along with background color we also declared the text color, and you can see here is the declaration for the text color through the attributes. Therefore we got the text color first as well as we got the background color first. So in our line number 29, or for our heading 2 tag, we applied 2 different color, for the text color and for the background color, and here is the elements, and this attributes is applied to our elements, and here is the output. So this is how you will apply the text background in HTML.